Hello, everybody. Welcome to yet another episode of Let's Talk, which is about self-love. So we have our three panelists here, including me. That's Harika, Jay, and Meeta. The Bindi girls are here. So we have a very different this thing for us today. Introduction for us today. We all are women. We all have had similar journeys, maybe different journeys. सारे हम सेल्फ लव को डिस्कवर कर रहे हैं and probably we'll do it. Probably through this show also we can do it together. So how much do we understand about self-love? Dea, would you like to talk about that?
I think instead of being a panelist, I should be a learner here. This is a topic we all, at least I would say I'm trying to discover this topic because lately there's a lot of stuff going on that you should put yourself on priority and, different viewpoints, different thoughts. So I want to be the learner in the show today. But yes, as we discuss, things will unfold and we'll realize self-love. I think Meeta, I would like to hear Meeta's viewpoint on this.
Jaya, you think that Meeta already found self-love, Meeta has not found self-love.
No, of course not. That's why I took it on you because we are similar by nature. Yeah.
So exactly that is how we are. We are the givers. We always put ourselves in the last, and then you realize, like, you never question. You have always been happy. But कभी-कभी छोटी-छोटी चीज होती है ना लाइफ में, जब आप परेशान होते हो तब आप क्वेश्चन करना शुरू कर देते हो. Sometimes you are hurt by somebody's behavior. Sometimes you compromise small things. Then 100 चीजें करके निकल जाते हो, एक चीज में अटक जाते हो कि यार where am I in the picture? So
wow, yeah.
I think it's a journey that I have started recently, very, very recently, that I started discovering, understanding what self-love is. So that is where I am.
Harika, what do you think about self-love? What is it?
Jaya said that I'm here to learn. The thing is that जो learning है ना वो experience से ही आती है, right? So I just feel के and like Meeta said, ये कहीं ना कहीं जब वो questions अपने अंदर आने लगते हैं ना कि मैं ये कर तो रही हूँ और खुशी से कर रही हूँ, लेकिन थोड़ा सा जब मुझे भी अपने लिए कुछ लेने का की permission नहीं लेनी पड़े, what happens is we are actually waiting कि somebody else should be able to suss out कि हमें क्या चाहिए and give us that. But the whole point is, and in my journey, you start realizing कि I don't need that permission. अगर मुझे कुछ थोड़ा बहुत ठीक लग रहा है, छोटी-छोटी चीजें, I should be able to do it for myself. मैं किसी और से पूछूं ना पूछूं, पहले किसी और को दूं, फिर अपने आप के लिए करूं. वो जो एरोप्लेन वाला कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं होता कि जब मास्क नीचे आता है ना, when they say that first give it to yourself and then to your child. This is that same thing. हम पहले मास्क अपने ऊपर थोड़ा लगा लेना तो we will be better fortified to give it to our children or to other members. But ये चीज हमें करने से ही समझ आती. When we arrive whole and happy in my own life, you're able to give so much more. Because हैं तो हम nurturers. We're all nurturers. We always derive so much happiness by sharing, giving. But if we do that, once we've given a little bit to ourselves, वो इतना ज़्यादा we are able to give. That has been my experience in life.
मुझसे कई लोगों ने पूछा कि सेल्फ लव क्या है, तो मैंने ना एक छोटी सी अपनी खुद की डेफिनेशन बनाई कि जब आप किसी से मोहब्बत करते हो, किसी से प्यार करते हो, चाहे अपने हस्बैंड है या बच्चा है, तो वही सारी चीजें करते हो जो उनको पसंद आती है, उन्हीं के पसंद का खाना बनाते हो, उनको गिफ्ट्स भी लाके देते हो, उनको आपको सारी पसंद उनकी पता होती है. When you fall in love with yourself, you know what is good for you, how much you love yourself. खाना बनाओ, उनके लिए भी बनाओ, उनकी पसंद की डिशेस बनाओ, अपनी भी साथ में. So for me, that is self-love. So Meeta, when did you realize that it should be about self-love? Because when I spoke to you, I could realize that, I could feel that you feel guilty somewhere about not taking out time for your children or whatever.
So, Meenal, my life, I've always said that it's been very, very busy. So, जो time मिलता था, वो time you used to give it to your children, to your husband, to your family, and your duties. So you never had the time to think about that. What should I do for myself? अपना number तो कभी आया ही नहीं. And you never bothered about it. You won't believe, 2-3 years back when I was doing my yoga class, and my yoga teachers talked about self-love, and I was looking at him. What is he talking about? What is self-love? We all love ourselves. Then he said कि अपने आसपास की surrounding में इतनी जगह रखो जो तुम्हारी हो. he said, when you start understanding self-love, then you will understand what self-love is about. Believe me, Meenal, I couldn't understand what is he talking about. He was talking some French language. कि
ये है क्या चीज,
नया वर्ड क्या सुन लिया मैंने. किसी ने मुझे बोला चाय की प्याली भी पीने में जब तुम्हें खुशी मिलेगी तब तुम्हें पता चलेगा सेल्फ लव क्या होता है. It was like how Jaya is saying कि you don't even know what self love is. For me, picking up the car, ordering my own breakfast in the morning is like such a big thing for me, because सबका नंबर आते लगता है टेबल पे, अच्छा इनका पूरा हो जाए, इसमें से मैं कुछ खा लूंगी. So when you know that this is what I want for myself, that is self love.
So, Jaya, what do you think? What do you think?
Yeah, you know, I am trying to gather and understand the topic, and I would say that yes, also because of COVID times, there has been a little introspection. It can be phase related, age related, whatever it may be. There has been a little introspection I've done, that one should give some time to things that you love, because we women have always put others on priority. It is our family, it is our children, it is our husband, it is our everybody. So like one takeaway I definitely have is that I want to spend more time with my girlfriends. Drop off a hat, I used to cancel plans. Drop off a hat, as if I needed an excuse to cancel programs. But now I'm realizing that these are little components of self-love. Because when you do your own thing, you know, somewhere in the space, you are happy. And when you are happy, the surroundings are happy.
True. So,
because we women inherently, we pick up vibes from our family. Bachcha udaas hai, to hum udaas hai. Husband udaas hai, to hum udaas hai. Ghar mein koi disturb, staff udaas hai, to hum udaas hai. You know, anybody. This is what happens.
But
that little dose of stuff maybe uplift everything is what I started to think maybe since a week. This timing has been God's plan for self-love for me.
A good omen. Start loving yourself.
This is like...
Yeah, so I think Jaya's not...
Yeah, so Harika?
See, there's another aspect, and we're all talking about things that we can do for ourselves in a lighter, positive manner, जिससे हमें छोटी-छोटी satisfaction मिले. But I'm also, I think मेरे understanding में self-love का एक और बहुत important component होता है boundaries. कई बारी कोई चीज हमें नहीं ठीक लगती, लेकिन हम हमेशा सोचते हैं that I don't want to hurt the other person. I hope I'm not doing something which is out of, you know, the norm or expectation or whatever. Here it's important कि अगर intuitively हमें नहीं ठीक लगता, and I'm again talking from my own experience, I don't have to give anybody else the permission to violate me beyond a point. मेरे को वो boundary अपने आप के लिए establish करने की capability को भी self love कहते हैं. And for me that is because that's self preservation. हम बहुत बारी क्या होता है कि because we are in that phase कि we don't want to upset anybody, or we are always thinking from that empathetic point of view कि उसको कैसा लगेगा, तो हम सह लेते हैं लेकिन अगले को बुरा नहीं लगने देते. However, हमारी भी तो कहीं पे psyche effect हो रही है ना, and we have to preserve ourselves. So वो boundaries को establish करना भी बहुत important component है self love का, and I have learned to do that. So for me, I think that's, I always say, you don't need anybody's permission. अगर तुम्हें कोई चीज नहीं ठीक लग रही है, if you can set that boundary, and the earlier you do it, तो अगला फिर उसको respect करता है. So that's my point of view.
When did you realize that you should start saying, like, making your own boundaries and
saying no, that no means no?
Yeah, no means no. When did you realize?
So for me, honestly, this process started about, I would like to say maybe 4 to 5 years back. There was my own life journey brought me to a point where I probably needed to do that. And the fact that I would like to pat myself on the back that I had the courage to do it, to set those boundaries. It's not that I don't get tested. I mean, as recent as day before, मुझे फिर से लगा कि मैं ये सही कर रही हूँ कि नहीं, am I pushing, you know, am I hurting, should I just absorb the hurt? But I said no. And when I changed my thought, things around me actually changed. वो जो कहते हैं कि when you change, everything around you changes to support you. That's exactly how it turns out. But वो हम अपने आप को permission नहीं देते ना, वो permission is self-love.
नहीं Harika, I think the problem somewhere is कि half the times we don't even know कि
Yeah,
हमें अपनी बाउंड्री कहाँ
absolutely.
बनानी है, हमें नहीं
Awareness
पता
ही नहीं
होता.
है.
हम
हाँ.
कभी लव में, कभी केयर में, कभी रिलेशनशिप में, कभी सिचुएशन में, we have always conditioned so deeply कि half the time हमें लगता है कि नहीं नहीं ये तो हमें करना ही चाहिए. How can we
हमें
not?
पता ही नहीं है कि कोई अल्टरनेटिव वे ऑफ बिहेवियर भी है. कंप्लीटली अग्री विद यू. तो फिर हम वी डोंट इवन हैव अनदर वे ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग.
So, Amita, you said that your yoga teacher gave you some perspective about self-love. So, what did you actually start doing about it? I want you to tell the audience so that, I know a lot of, like even my family members, even my mom, when I talk to her about self-love, she's like stuck. उनको ये नहीं समझ आता कि शुरुआत कहाँ से करें. हमने उनको बता भी दिया तो उनको शुरुआत कहाँ से करें. So, I think you guys are like super coaches for that. So, Amita, what would you like to say about that?
So my journey started accidentally when one day I looked at myself in the mirror. And since my work was so stressful, I always used to have a permanent frowns on my forehead. Even if I was not angry, people used to think I'm angry, I'm stressed, I'm always worried. Then I looked at my mirror and I said, why don't I smile at myself? I smile at everybody, I don't smile at myself. So I started smiling at myself. And believe me, the day I started smiling at myself, you realize that the day you are not smiling, you feel something is wrong. Why aren't you smiling? So after that, I think a cup of tea is very important for me. My walk is very important for me. So you have started noticing this thing, what were happening as an auto mode thing, that okay, something you liking, some certain things आपको पसंद आ रही है, certain things आपको पसंद नहीं आ रही है, और आप consciously उन चीजों को एडजस्ट करने लगे हो. Oh, I am doing this for myself. That is it.
So, Jaya, so if you start, following them, what will be the first thing that you go and do today or tomorrow, after the show?
No, so after hearing Harika and Meeta, yes, I kind of agree with Harika that once you set boundaries and you bring in that change, then people start to understand and respect. For example, after hearing Meeta, just a thing like I love my yoga class. So, there is a boundary I have now. Everybody in the house knows that Mama ki agar yoga class hai, to bas wo hai. But this is probably, I'm reflecting also as I speak, this is probably the only point of self-love I have instilled till now. But yes, this is a pointer towards Harika also, that yes, if I set up this boundary I've set, so they have started to respect you. Okay, this is Mama's 1.5. It doesn't mean they don't come into the room when I'm doing my yoga class, but yes, they are quiet, they are not naughty, they are behaving themselves, they are not behaving like animals. So that point is there definitely. Yet I think my journey is very recent and I've just about taken the first step towards self-love. I'm hoping to learn more from you girls.
So we are like kind of my yoga teacher to you, that at least somebody is telling you there is a theory of self-love.
No, and also one more point, yes. There is, I think self-acceptance is also a part of self-love. We women, all of us, we struggle to lose weight. The common topic always is lose weight, patla hona hai, carb nahi khana, karna, wo nahi karna. I think since about a year, I have started to feel very comfortable in my skin and my weight. And I'm perfectly fine with it. And I'm not in that mad rush of following crazy diets and
I think Jaya, there's a network.
Whatever. But
yeah, I think there's
is also a part of self-love. Yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah, she brought in a very good point about being comfortable in our own skin. I think, it is very important for us to, when we wake up in the morning, work out a bit, eat well. And, it's very important to get ready in the morning, get dressed, get ready, even if you're not going out to work. Because that will definitely give oneself a kick. So how many of us do we actually, get kajal on, and even if you're not going out of the house? So Harika, do you get ready at home and sit?
Okay, so I'll tell you, I really don't, if I don't need to, but I'm coming from that space. This is my own, I'm coming from that space. Honestly, I'm very comfortable in my skin. that is something that so maybe doesn't apply, but for me there are other things. For example, for me, अगर हम जैसे हफ्ते में एक बारी we as a family we like to order out, तो पहले ही हमेशा ये था कि अच्छा बच्चों को क्या चाहिए, what is it that now I clearly say आज मेरा दिल कर रहा है, आज हम ये ऑर्डर करेंगे and we'll all work. So it's a very tiny thing, but the fact is that and now they have also started asking, so mom, why don't you say something that you'd like? So we have you expand everybody's thinking. We don't even know that the other person is willing to give agar hum lena chahein. So it's about opening. So these are little things, but I completely agree. And also I think looking good and like Meeta said, looking at yourself in the mirror and just feeling aligned with who you are, that's a tremendous aspect, because we should be happy with who we are. And yes, if getting ready is part of that, because that maybe adds to our self-esteem sometimes, and we're looking, but that's sometimes it's external, sometimes it's internal, whatever you know how to balance. Lekin being comfortable or loving yourself just the way you are and arriving whole is part of that self journey, and it starts with accepting yourself, definitely.
Harika, when I was listening to you, I kind of remember हमारी जो older generations होती थी ना, mother-in-laws, mom, they always had this thing कि अच्छा हम पहले अगर table पे बैठ के खा लेंगे तो अभी will be judged. I always have to look busy. I always have to look, men, they look busy outside, they're busy outside. So they always made an effort to look busy. Resting is a guilt. How can I will be judged? I'm not doing something right. So today morning, when we had to talk about self-love, I Googled Wikipedia, and it was like a my God awakening moment for me. All the shastras, all the religion, all the Buddhism, everything says self-love and happiness for yourself is sin, is wrong.
वही conditioning है ना, environment में जो हमें feed हो रहा है.
तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारा religion, हमारी teaching, हमारा mythology, they all are to be blamed for making us. So I was thinking, ऐसा क्या है? Why do we feel guilty when we love ourselves? So a deep conditioning, very, very deep conditioning has gone into our minds that if I'm doing something for myself, I'll be judged that, yeah. So
it's like I don't deserve. It's like I'm not an equal human being as everybody else.
त्याग करोगे तो तुम महान होगे. It's kind of a feeling that
मतलब martyr बनोगे तो तुम महान हो. But तुम्हारे को अपनी जिंदगी थोड़ा बहुत अपने लिए जीने का almost हक नहीं है. It's like that.
नहीं तो वो मैट्रिमोनियल शो में भी तो ना, सी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ गर्ल्स, लाइक अगर पहले भी बात करें तो कैसी बहुएं अच्छी होती थी. सुबह बहुत जल्दी उठती है, पैर छूती है, सबको खाना खिला के खाती है, खाना बहुत अच्छा बनाती है, तो
पैर दबाती हैं. बेचारों के पैर कोई नहीं दबाता है ना.
वही बात है कि जो परफेक्ट आइडियल वाइफ होती है वो क्या होती है, जो कहना मानती है, कहना सुनती है, जवाब नहीं देती, सो देयर लॉट ऑफ दिस थिंग. सो मेरे साथ भी लाइक अभी मैं जब मैं शो के लिए आ रही थी, सो वी वर जस्ट डिस्कसिंग गिल्ट के बारे में, क्योंकि अगर हम नहीं करते तो हम गिल्टी हो जाते हैं. मैं जब बस शो के लिए आ रही थी उतनी देर में मेरे बेटे ने कह दिया कि भूख लग रही है. अब आई टोल्ड माय मेड कि बना के दे दो. अब यहाँ पे 1 घंटा मतलब हमारे लिए हम ऐसे कंडीशन में कि वो दिमाग में वो चलता रहेगा कि पता नहीं उसने सही से बना कर दिया कि नहीं. तो समवेयर इट्स ऑल प्रोटेक्टिव आल्सो ऑल द टाइम. पहले तो हम डरते हैं कि हमारा बच्चा जल नहीं जाए, ये नहीं हो जाए, वो नहीं हो जाए, फिर हम उसका केयर करते रहेंगे. जब हम छोड़ते हैं, थोड़ा सा दूर जाते हैं, फिर we all become guilty, I think.
वो इसके लिए क्योंकि वो हमारी आइडेंटिटी उसी से अटैच्ड है ना, कि we have to be the one who is a whole soul who takes care of the child. तो हम we are so attached to that कि थोड़ा सा उसमें कंट्रोल भी है, because we are not doing anything that is for ourselves. It's all to do with the people that we are around. So that is why we are attached to that. थोड़ा सा अगर हम अपने लिए करने लगेंगे तो we will also understand कि वो I mean everybody's got survival instinct. अगर वो बच्चे को नहीं ठीक लगे, उसको पता है कि इसकी माँ है, वो he will make sure that you know that he hasn't got taken care of.
Yeah. Okay. We realize that how do we move forward from here? Like we all know that we don't self-love, we don't love ourselves enough. How do we move from here?
I think the first step is set boundaries. Do a little bit of reflection कि मुझे ये 3 चीजें अपने लिए चाहिए. that, and they could be tiny things. I mean, इसमें ये तो है नहीं that we are climbing Mount Everest, you know. So if I need half an hour for myself in a day, that's one thing. If I need to, you know, have food in a certain way, if I want to do something with the family, so it could be around, but I need to have 2-3 things at least कि जो मुझे खुशी देती हैं, I indulge in them. Going on, for me, it was frankly going on solo holidays. When I started the first time, I went on a solo trip and actually was one of these spiritual retreats. My God, it was such a sense of freedom for me. तब तक मुझे लगता था मेरे बच्चों को कौन पालेगा, I'll go away, this, that, how will things get taken care of. It magically did.
एक गेम खेलते हैं, हम सारे एक गेम खेलते हैं, even the audience, even the panelists, okay? सबके पास chat boxes हैं. Now I give you 1 minute to think whatever you guys love doing, love about yourself, जो चीजें अच्छी लगती हैं, जो खुद को अच्छी लगती है, बस वो लिखो. सब्जी कौन सी पसंद है वो भी चलेगा. Just write anything you love. Your time starts now. Come on. Everybody write in the chat box.
Okay, including us.
हाँ. Yes.
मैंने start कर दिया है. Now everybody should write.
I am also writing.
Everybody should write. Make one list. एक नहीं भेजना. So that I see everybody's answers.
Okay.
I'm giving 1 minute to think because I know a lot of women here, including I know a lot of them personally would say कि मुझे तो यही नहीं पता कि मुझे पसंद क्या है. Another 30 seconds you guys have. Think. Okay, I'm giving some extra time because some people are still typing. वो तो मैं गेम नहीं खेल रही हूँ, नहीं तो 2-4-5 मिनट लग जाते हैं मेरे को लिखने में, इतनी लंबी लिस्ट है मेरी. बकेट लिस्ट भी बहुत ज्यादा है. Okay, stop everybody. Okay, now you have to write what all have you done actually for yourself. इनमें से जितने भी 5 चीजें लिखी हैं, अगर 5 करी है तो 5 लिखो, 1 करा है तो 1 लिखो. इतने सालों में क्या क्या इसमें से भूल गए थे कि अपने बारे में कि मुझे ये भी पसंद है. So there are a lot of answers. Okay, Richa Khandelwal has written French, dance, traveling, solo, traveling. Okay, done it. I love doing so. I like to draw at times, read, discuss, or even get dressed. 1 second. Your hobbies are not self-love, it is okay. So, you know, it's very nice to see that we have this one's my favorite, Bindu Pillai. Even I love sleeping, so nobody can wake me up between 3 to 4. Nobody. So I love that one. You're my favorite now. Anjana Madok, like joining an NGO. So Anjana, you should join an NGO. So Meeta, you should connect Anjana to an NGO now. She, you know who the person is to go to for it. Then there is Srabani Chakrabarti, dance. So are you learning how to dance, Srabani? I'm waiting for your reply. Okay, they're very, I think some people are still thinking. Meeta, I'm looking at your list. Where is your list? Jaya, yoga retreat के अलावा भी कुछ सोचो please.
अच्छा मैंने लिखा था, I think मैं लिख देती हूँ 1 मिनट.
हरिका का मैंने
एक मैंने travel पहले लिखा था. I'll just write it all together.
I will read it out. I think I have not written, so I either write or I read it out.
मैं भी read out कर देती हूँ because
read out.
Meeta, you want to go first?
No, you go, then I'll go.
Okay. So my list was, first travel मैंने लिखा था. The next was once a week I just want to vegetate. And it should be, you know, of course I like to binge watch Netflix when I do. तो मैं जिस दिन रात को देखूं तो फिर मुझे एक पूरी सीरीज देखनी पड़ती है, फिर अगले दिन But that's why I like to do that once a week and then get up late and then not do much the next day. And I definitely like to, establish boundaries, which I've done. So travel भी मैंने किया है. अब current situation ऐसी है. Netflix binge watching भी करी है. Eating. I like to do the, eating my kind of food, which maybe doesn't agree with the rest of the family. कई बारी तो मैंने जाके अपने आप जाके अकेले मूवीज भी देखी हैं, which I've enjoyed. That's the other thing. It's my time to myself, and it just gets me thinking. I'm totally involved in the movie. किसी से बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है. That's the other thing that I do.
Actually, imagine you surrounded with popcorns and Coke or
yeah. Yeah. I mean, I do my I like my popcorn and my coffee, and my movie.
Ma'am, और क्या लेंगे? That kind you just eating.
किसी से बात करने का नहीं दिल लगता. But it's so much fun, satisfying. I do that. So yeah, those are mine. That's on my list. But मैंने करा, I've done it also. I know it feels good. I enjoy it, and I'll tell you, when I come back, I actually give so much more. That's what I've been trying to say. जब हम थोड़ा सा अपने लिए करते हैं ना, just हमारा इतना घड़ा भर जाता है that we're spilling over and doing for the other person. It's not out of guilt. It's out of happiness. But you have to experience it to know.
Yes. Very good. We will follow your list. Meeta, what do you have to say? Okay. You send it to my personal listing also. Meeta, what do you have to say?
I have a long list, and I'm surprised when I was writing this list and I was ticking it, I realized that I've done it all. So there's nothing.
Wow, so I should clap for you. Very good.
So I like to go, driving is my chilling time. So I go for drives. I take my car and I just go and drive. I do it. I love listening to music. I do it. I love reading. I do it. I like to look good and dress up. I do it. I like to travel. I do it. Dancing, I do occasionally, but that is in my bucket list to learn. Working is very important for me, so I've never stopped working. Art and creating, so that is again I am doing. Collecting heirloom pieces is very important. I like collecting shawls and old pieces of jewelry. I do it. Family is my love. I compromise everything else for my family. I do it. Eating fruits is a very small thing, but since childhood, I remember eating a full bowl of fruits every day. Whenever I get to eat, I eat fruits. So I do. Seeing the sunrise, I do. So seeing the sunrise, I'll come back to it. My cup of tea is very important for me. As everybody can see, it's always in my hand. That I do. So sunrise, I had in my bucket list that I wanted to stay out the whole night somewhere and see the sunrise in the morning.
Wow.
So Goa, I stayed the whole night and I saw the sunrise in the morning on the roads without going and sleeping. So I should not complain that I don't love myself. I think I do. That's my realization today.
Very good. There are two things on my bucket list which is still there. I have to drive an SUV in a silk sari, and I have to show some signs to men, and I have to get a tattoo. I have these all wild things in my head. So
go ahead, you should. That was on my bucket list. I got it done.
Tattoo करा लिया. अभी वो बाकी है. But basically, I'm not able to figure out what wild tattoo I want. So that is very difficult because once I've gotten, I can't get it off. So like crazy. Where is Jaya? I can't see Jaya.
You're on mute.
Jaya has disappeared, I think.
No, I have some connection issues, but I've joined back.
So Jaya, your bucket list, your self-love list.
I'm a beginner. But
Jaya, maybe switch off your
yoga retreat.
Video switch off करके बोल लो बेशक.
Yeah. So yoga has been big on my list, and I have done a bit of my yoga retreats and all. Yes, I would say I would want to do once a year, one yoga detox retreat and one a full-on girly Goa holiday retreat. But yes, I'm a beginner in this list. I'm yet to follow the path of self-love, but slowly and steadily getting there. Hey, kids are growing up, they have a life of their own. Husband is so comfortable at work. It's about time to do something you like. I want to learn Hindi classical music. That's on my mind. So one of these days, very soon, I'm going to get a teacher and organize and do things I love.
Jaya, I'll say one thing. We don't have to wait till our children are older, and we don't have to wait till, or if not, are busy. That is then it's not really, you know, self-love means sometimes put yourself forward first. Doesn't matter. Everybody else also is always taken care of. It's not that you're being self-centered.
Yeah.
You know, I agree to Harika, and I want to say one thing. बच्चे कभी बड़े होते हैं क्या? बच्चे कभी बड़े,
बात तो वही है ना, हम अपने आप को अपने बच्चों से आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं ना. Our identification is again, and that's part of our conditioning. But फिर वो हमारी self discovery कहाँ हुई? Which is why, जो like Jaya, what you're saying about the travel, the best thing about travel is, and I think Meeta will agree with me, is that you really discover yourself. And that is what is, you know, it just adds so much to who you are, क्योंकि you go inwards. और वो जब हम अपने आप होते हैं ना, तभी, नहीं तो हम सारा कुछ outside करते हैं. And that truly gets you to that space of self-love. It's
last year,
so intoxicating, I have to tell you.
So last year when I was doing my solo travel, because I booked a resort with my family and everybody, and they couldn't travel. So I decided, okay, I will go alone because it was a house on rent. So I decided, and everybody was take this person, take your bhabhi, take your friend, take somebody. I said, why can't you let me go alone?
Yeah.
It's just that when you break that barrier that you can stay on by yourself, you discover a lot.
Yeah. And the easiest is to go do a movie on your own. Go do a movie on your own. तब तक मैं बाहर दिल्ली से बाहर भी नहीं निकलना पड़ता ना. Try that.
Yeah, movie sounds fun, and that's very doable for everybody, I think.
Yeah, my first movie I saw on my own was Star Trek. Nobody wanted to see, and it was one of those, and I'm such a Star Trek fan. So मैं अकेले, and then it was so much fun. I said, what the hell, yeah? I should do as much as I want on my own. Why wait?
You know, this is one thing I do is buy silver earrings for myself. कुछ भी अच्छा होता है ना, जिस दिन में मैं खुश होती हूँ ना, एक earring order कर देती हूँ. Everybody's like, are you crazy? You're going to sell them? इतना डब्बा भर भर के तुम्हारे पास. But no, बर्थडे होगा तो खुद के लिए एक इयरिंग तो मैं खुद को दिलाऊंगी, बाकी सब दिलाते रहो मुझे. सो सबको लिंक चला जाएगा, मेरे को ये दिला देना, ये दिला देना, ये दिला देना. सो इट्स लाइक
that's such a good idea, Jaya. We can also start, you know, every birthday, and I do that. Birthday, buy yourself a gift.
Yeah, I make it a point to do that. पूरा वो बनता है.
I agree.
लाती रहती हूँ कि मेरा बर्थडे आ रहा है, मेरा बर्थडे आ रहा है. तो nobody, मतलब वो expectation ही मैंने छोड़ दी कि किसी को याद रहेगा. I don't let it.
देखो, that's the point. We don't expect, na, because we are fulfilling ourselves.
Yeah.
That's so beautiful.
So let's call people from the audience. Richa Khandelwal, would you like to come and talk to us? Richa, can I just where is Richa?
Richa, I think you can unmute yourself.
Okay, I can't find Richa.
Yeah, Richa, go ahead, unmute yourself now.
Okay, Richa, I can see, 1 second. Okay, Seema, would you like to say something? Seema Badaya, I think you resonate with Meeta a lot. I can hear your comments, and I can see someone sipping thoughts also.
But how do I? Yes, yeah, I am.
Yeah,
definitely.
Show, yeah.
Good to have you every time.
Meeta, I mean, I felt that you're just talking like whatever I felt, you know. Lately, I mean, I was talking, my daughter told me that you have to learn to live with your own self. When they had gone, I mean, they both are like outside India. And then I had gone to a retreat like you. I mean, I like Meenal Esrais, I think. She said this. And then when I met with the youngsters, with people of my age and everyone, and you start loving your own company. That was the best part. And then you realize what you like, what would you like to do. And that's the best part that has ever happened to me. So I think we should all do that. Because once you are happy, you create a happy environment. Like you are happy, everyone is happy. Don't you think so?
Absolutely.
I remember I remember one compliment from my husband when he came home one day. He's like, मुझे जब मैं घर आता हूँ ना तो मुझे ये टेंशन नहीं होती है कि होकर मिलोगी. मुस्कुराती भी मिलती हो. So I think when a lady inside the house, in the house, is always smiling and happy, the entire house is happy. So I think that really works for a lady.
So, Meenal, I can see lovely weather outside. You know, what, for me, what is self-love? When you go and get some raindrops on your face or on your palms, you just
Getting wet in face.
like that, and you get raindrops. So that is self-love. You don't need to have big things in life to love
Like,
yourself.
उसके बाद मुझे ये भी पता है उसके आगे का सेल्फ लव आपका क्या है. फिर आके अंदर बोलो कि चाय बना दो. अब चाय का मौसम हो गया, यू नो, फॉर हर आई थिंक बारिश हो तो चाय का है, ठंड है तो चाय का. सो इट्स लाइक चाय का मौसम है. सो लेट्स कॉल अंजना मदोक नेक्स्ट. अंजना, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes. Hi, Anjana.
Hello. Thank you for giving me the time to speak. Okay, I just want to share my experiences and thoughts about this, whatever has been done. I am 58. I am 58 now. And whenever there were weddings and all, I never used to dance. I never used to get up because I was feeling shy. I never knew how to dance. 2016, I thought I should learn dancing, although it was too late for me, but nothing is late. So 2016, I hired a teacher at home. So she had a very tough time with me. And they started self-love with me. I started learning. And although she used to say, how would you do it? And 2017, my son's marriage was there. And I stood up and danced, and everybody was just amazed to see me. So that was the beginning of self-love. I was busy, not giving time for myself, just going there, school and coming back. But now I have started giving time to myself, So first thing I did was dancing, and everybody appreciated that thing. And after 2019, I was diagnosed with severe osteoporosis. I had to stop for 6 months because it was too much back pain. And then came this COVID-19. And again, I have to stop it here because she is not coming to me. But I can I can keep practicing. I keep practicing. So first thing was this one. So I've started self-love with me. It is not selfish. It is giving love to yourself, and then only you can give love to others.
Absolutely.
Second thing I wrote, now I want to join some NGO because I've taken voluntary retirement from a school. I want to join some NGO, do some social work, but working from home.
So I think this would, you know what I learned from what Anjana said was living life without regrets. You know,
and then age is not a bar.
है ना, रिग्रेट यही तो रिग्रेट रह जाता है कि काश मैंने उस टाइम कर लिया हो, तो अब तो मेरे घुटने मेरे साथ नहीं दे रहे. दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग यस्टरडे आल्सो, यू नो, कि मेरे को सारी हॉलिडेज एक सर्टेन एज के पहले करनी है. मुझे पता है बाद में मैं इतना चल नहीं पाऊंगी. सो
एक और चीज है इसमें, मीनल, इफ आई कैन इंटरजेक्ट, है जो हमने शायद कवर नहीं करी थी. एंड एवरीबडी सिचुएशन इज डिफरेंट, इट मे और मे नॉट अलाउ इट, लेकिन जब हम कोई अपनी पैशन फॉलो करते हैं, you know, that is another important thing, whether we do it because that becomes our work, and if we can work or we can't, but we continue to do something which is stimulating for us. So for those of us, maybe Meeta can identify where yeah, Jaya can, I mean, we all need, I want to work. For me, my working is a very important part of my self-love for myself, but it's not necessarily always for financial gain. It's also for realizing who you are. And jab hum, you know, for men always do it, women don't sometimes do it because they know that their whole love parameter is within the family. But even within that, if they can start to do some little activity which is mentally stimulating for themselves, it can give them financial gain or no. That is also a very important aspect for women, for self-love, especially in the Indian setup, I think.
Very well said.
I kind of agree with Harika here. You know, a little bit of independence, if you're involved in work. For example, Meenal, when you said that you were getting ready for the meeting and your son wanted something and your mind just got caught elsewhere. So similarly, if you're at work, kids manage na. Agar hum ghar nahi hai, so they manage. But because we are home, you know, the question 7 times in the day is, what's for lunch, mama? What's for dinner, mama? But if you're not home, they know that they can manage. Simple as that.
Plus, we're all thinking human beings, and I think work allows us that exposure of that potential of ours. We all, that's a different aspect of all of our personalities, and I think work in that way fulfills a very different sort of place in our whole psyche. So I think work, whether I'm saying again, it doesn't have to always, if your situation doesn't want it or you don't desire it, it doesn't have to be the financial aspect, but you must do something which is your passion, which allows you to dedicate a certain amount of time to something that stimulates.
Yes, very nice point.
Because I think it makes you feel good.
I want
idea behind this
self-love, which is
feel good.
Yeah, let's call Arun sir, so that we hear a man's point of view on this topic.
Arun sir, then after that, Achla, we have two people, then we will kind of.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Arun sir, Arun sir, please unmute yourself. 1 second.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes. Good evening, sir.
Okay, good evening, ladies. I just wanted to break the monotony of too many women speaking and for gentlemen. There are two of us, I think I can see. One is Sudhir and the other is me. And both of them are old timers. But anyway, I just want to give a viewpoint. You see, you all said, somebody says they love to sleep. Somebody said they love to see movies. Somebody said hibernate and words to that effect. Now, the point is, self-love is loving yourself in totality, both to satisfy your mind and your inner self. And when I say inner self, I'm referring to the ethical part of you, the soul. Self-love means loving God in you. It is essential and there's nothing negative about it. So to that extent, somebody had said that self-love is negative. It is not negative, provided you understand what self-love is. If you're doing something for selfish reasons and you love it, that is a negative side of it. But that besides, it is essential to understand that there's nothing negative about self-love. It's a question of how you look at it. And believe you me, when you are participating in any activity that you are liking, if it is not good, your conscience will prick you and you say, "Aisa karna nahi chahiye tha mujhe. I think I don't need to do this." You don't have to be guided by anybody. Your conscience, the God in you will tell you, look, what you're doing is not correct. You might say, but I'm enjoying it. No. Self-love helps you to develop your self-esteem, not ego. The negative part of self-love will help you develop ego. I'm not referring to that. We are referring to self-esteem, which is essential in everybody's personality. You see, the point is, you must love what you do and not do what you love. There's a difference. You must love what you do. Whatever you're going to do, even if you don't like it, you don't like to cook at home, but you know that you are bound to do the cooking at home, do it with love. It is said that the food becomes more tasty when the wife puts in her love, when she offers the food to her husband.
Sir,
and not
sir, then where is the
I actually kind of, Arun sir has brought in a very, very, very good point and a thought to ponder on. Self-love for me, because as I said that I'm a learner, I would say if my personality is to give and to provide, okay, in the bargain, sometimes I may feel ki yaar kabhi to mere liye bhi koi kare. But the thing is, it is acceptance that, yes, this is what makes me happy. Providing and doing things for others makes me happy. So the acceptance part comes in. So Arun sir has brought in this point that whatever you do, you should love, you should accept it and love it and do it with love.
But Jaya, there is a confusion. Arun sir, there is a confusion. Why there is a trouble? Because when women don't know, so it's always the same thing. What everybody has been telling all of us is the same story, that if you don't like cooking, start enjoying it, and that is self-love. It is not self-love. If I don't enjoy cooking, I should be without guilt, without any reluctance, say that, okay, I don't enjoy cooking. That is self-love.
Mita, what I'm saying is that the happiness comes from within, not from outside. Outside is very different. Yeah. So when you know that you have an issue of making food for yourself, why not make it with love? If you be happy making food, you'll find you start loving to make food. But if you make food if you're detesting, not liking it, you'll keep yourself away from the kitchen.
So I will do that as, but no, sir, I will not mix it. I will do it as a duty. But for me, as my self-love list will be different.
Duty with love is different from just doing your duty.
Even sir, for me, I am not very fond of cooking. तो वो मैं 2 दिन तो प्यार से बना दूंगी, लेकिन अगर एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे 30 दिन मैं प्यार से बनाऊं तो वो प्यार नहीं निकलेगा. फिर वो लगेगा कि वो मतलब I'll hire a cook, I think.
वो जो प्यार है वो प्यार अंदर से आता है. It has to come from within.
कैसे ही कर लूंगी सर.
You will find it. Maybe you're married 5 years, 7 years. As time passes, you will start loving it as a part of your duty.
Sir, that is what we want to change, sir. So that is what we want to change.
Attitude. It's a question of attitude.
Love, cooking is love, doing things for your husband.
That is the difference in a man's world and a woman's world.
Also, if I can say, there are really no, if we can come from this place, that there are really no rights and wrongs. We have to understand that there is a perspective to everything. And when something doesn't agree with, Arun sir, aapne bola, doesn't agree with our authentic self, we all have God in us, and we all know that अगर हमारे को कोई चीज नहीं agree करती and it's not aligned with us, हम उसमें खुशी नहीं पाएंगे. So if you can truly just tune into yourself and do what is aligned with you, the happiness will come. But we have to give ourselves permission. क्या होता है that I think also gender roles are such that we have come to that place where we don't give ourselves permission.
You see, love and duty come together. I'll tell you, I don't love to kill people. But when I went for war, it was my duty to kill, and I enjoyed it. I enjoyed firing the round and killing one person, because had I not done it, I wouldn't have performed my duty. I'm being one extreme issue that I've taken. But what I'm trying to say is your duty and love from within come together. And if you really feel that it is your duty, you begin to love it, you'll enjoy cooking it. Where's the problem?
The problem, but
alignment, वही बात है, alignment की बात है. Let's also give Achla a chance to ask a question.
Achla Pava, yeah.
Yeah, go ahead, Achla. You can unmute yourself.
Achla looks like a young girl.
Really pleasant to hear all of you, and I think I'll be the youngest participant if I would say. I'm 25. I'm in the middle of completing my master's. So, and it was so pleasant to hear all of you, because as I'm growing and I aspire to study further, there are times I go for shopping alone. I like to do things alone for myself. So everybody keeps telling me ki nahi, you're not supposed to do this, you're not supposed to do that, because future mein jo family hogi ya pati hoga specifically, uska mujhe bhi nahi aata pata, uske baare mein mujhe abhi se sochna padta hai. If I knew ki this would be the pati and this would be the family, to alag hoga. But sometimes it makes me feel so guilty. But I'm so super glad that you guys are talking about this, and it's so inspiring that okay, fine, I'm not doing anything selfish, I'm not doing it wrong, I am doing fine and doing it for myself. And I'll just say that yes, like you said, that when things are done for ourselves, I am happy, then only I can keep others happy around me.
Actually, there was there was an old-time joke कि अगर जब मरोगे और ऊपर भगवान के पास जाओगे, I think my voice is echoing. No. So if you die and you go to God, the God will send you back. If you say that I was not happy, I didn't do enough for my happiness, you will be thrown back on the earth. So do you want to come back or do you want to go die happy? So we all should die happy, I feel. That is my philosophy.
You know, I think mothers should train their daughters from
Jaya, live by example. You should live by example. Your children will pick up what they see. It's so much is in the energy.
No,
so if you start loving yourself, they will learn it.
Harika, we should vocally tell our daughters, you know, that I mean, there's no harm in saying.
Even my son, actually, no, but this is not only a daughter thing. Even our sons, my son as well. If something does not authentically agree with you, this is about also just tuning into yourself. And when we can tune into ourselves, we are guided by what is aligned to us. Also, it is not, you know, I love what Colonel Saab said, that the God is in us. So वो हमें हमेशा पता रहता है. और वो, and for us, we're all different. We're all unique. What works for me and what gives me happiness may be different from. So then also we come from a space of, you know, everything is okay, but I'm doing what gives me happiness.
Harika, let's call Sukriti. I think she wants to say something.
Sure.
Yeah, let's call Sukriti.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Hi, Sukriti.
Go ahead, Sukriti.
मैम वही जो अभी अचला ने बात की कि अभी वो उस ग्रोइंग फेज में है, मैं जस्ट उससे थोड़ा 1 साल आगे निकल के आई हूँ, वो शेयर करना चाहूंगी। मेरी जब मतलब रिसेंटली शादी हुई थी एंड अब वो टूट ही चुकी है, तो बताना चाहूंगी कि जब शादी की बात चल रही थी तो मैं ये सोचती थी कि ना अब बदलना पड़ेगा, जो है ना उससे बिल्कुल ही अब चेंज होना पड़ेगा, जो मेरी अंदर की सुकृति चाहती है ऐसा करो वैसा करो, वो मैंने किया। बट एक टाइम ऐसा आया कि जब मैं खुद इतना धाकड़ तरीके से रहने वाली, मैं खुद ही डिप्रेशन में चली गई। मैंने कहा यार ये तो बिल्कुल ही चेंज हो गया है। धीरे धीरे उसमें रहने की कोशिश भी करी, नहीं हो पाया। मतलब अगर खुद से ही मैं भूल ही जाऊंगी जो मेरी पसंद करी हुई चीजें हैं। जब मैंने सिपिंग थॉट्स के कुछ इवेंट्स ज्वाइन किए तो मैंने रियलाइज किया कि नहीं यार ऐसे तो नहीं हो पाएगा। पहले खुद का ऑक्सीजन मास्क लगाओ, खुद को प्यार करो, फिर तभी तुम दे पाओगे आगे। मैंने कहा हाँ बस इतना ही ठीक है, अब बच जाओ नहीं तो डूब ही जाओगे।
नहीं, so being a fighter, stand up for yourself, love yourself, everything will fall in place. नहीं तो वो ही है ना, 5-10 साल बाद सोचोगे काश मैंने तब चेंज कर लिया होता तो मेरी जिंदगी।
Yes ma'am.
No point wasting time. I think Rohit wants to come in. There's another man in our group, so let's call him in.
Hello.
Hi Rohit.
Hi. Hello ma'am.
So Rohit is our core team. He is the person putting the show together, the technician of Sipping Thoughts.
Yeah. So मैं अरुण सर के पॉइंट से मैं थोड़ा सा इंस्पायर हुआ। तो मैंने बचपन से, मेरे घर में कोई सिस्टर नहीं है, सो बचपन से मुझे सारा का सारा काम सिखाया गया। एंड मुझे पता है कि जो लेडीज होती है घर के कितने इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं। एंड बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है कि मैं मम्मी का हेल्प कर रहा हूँ और हमेशा स्टिल अभी भी करता हूँ। एंड उसमें मैंने यही देखा है कि उन्हें क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है। मैंने मम्मी को रोते हुए देखा है कि तुम मदद नहीं करते हो, ये बहुत बार होता है। आइए मैं मिडिल क्लास और लोअर क्लास का बता रहा हूँ कि ये हमेशा रहता है उनके साथ। कि मैं एक फैक्ट बता रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पे एग्री वाली बात है कि लॉकडाउन के समय पे किसी ने अपने मदर को अभी हेल्प किया है? किसी ने नहीं। उनका एक ड्यूटी बन गया है जो करना है उन्हें, किसी भी हाल में करना है। तबीयत खराब है तभी भी करना है, बेड पे है तभी भी करना है, कुछ भी हो जाए उन्हें, उनका कोई नहीं देखता है और वो करते हैं।
सही कह रहे हो रोहित।
मैं ये पॉइंट रखना चाहता था क्योंकि मैंने देखा इस चीज को। अगर सिस्टर होती घर पे तो वो करती, उन्हें वैसा सिखाया जाता है फिर कि हाँ क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना, तुम्हें ससुराल में करना, तो ये उन्हें सिखाया जाता है। एंड सेल्फ लव वाला यहाँ पे है पॉइंट कि
रोहित हम यही तो कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे सिपिंग थॉट्स में, हम यही तो बदलाव लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि तुम सोचो, उठो, अपने बच्चों को उठाओ कि करो भाई मैं तो होने जा रही हूँ।
हाँ सॉर्ट ऑफ, इसीलिए मैम ये ऐड कर रहा था कि मैं अपने मदर का पॉइंट मैंने देखा है बचपन से, ये ऐसा हुआ है।
सही बात है हमारी।
रोहित इतना वैलिड पॉइंट है, बिकॉज एक्चुअली देखा जाए तो हम मदर्स को यू नो we don't need much, we need little bit, maybe just one getaway, maybe just one little pamperance, maybe just one day off. It's not the whole world we are asking for, we are giving the whole world to everybody around us. But you know, there can be days when you are not fine, there should be it should be taken in the stride. There can be good days, bad days, just a little bit of love and just voicing a little bit of your own thoughts. I think that's all is needed.
I think what is important is that we are the change. If we can live our lives with the change, and that's what we radiate, why should we wait for anybody else to make that change? So whether it is not necessary, and it doesn't have to be only as a mother, it's how I live my life by example of what gives me joy. That joy will just radiate outside. So we just have to take, I always say, and that's what happens here, I think, when all of us get together. We are the change makers.
Absolutely. Harika, that was your giveaway for the show. So Meeta, what is your giveaway for the show? So today we have some takeaways also. We have some giveaways also. So we have a lot of giveaways from Harika. She's a great coach. Meeta, your giveaway also.
My giveaway is given by somebody else to me very recently. And I was told कि think that you are talking, when you're talking to yourself, think that you're talking to your little sister.
Wow.
तो जो advice तुम अपने little sister को दोगी, you will never tell your daughter or your little sister to sacrifice, to compromise, to neglect yourself. What advice would you give to your younger sister? So whenever in that situation, when I am in confusion that what should I do? I should put everybody else first, or I should care for myself. And I immediately think that what would I tell my little sister? And if I tell her that take care of yourself, it means take care of yourself. You are the most important person to yourself. अगर कप खाली होगा मेरे चाय का तो मैं किसी और को क्या दूंगी? I have to be full first and then be able to.
That's such a simple way to put it. That's such a nice way to put it, and it's very easy for us to practice. I think that हम सब कर सकते हैं ये चीज. So I'm going to try that. Jaya, so what's your takeaway from this show? Takeaway, Jaya, because you were confused in the beginning. Jaya,
so am I audible?
Yes.
So my takeaway would be that I think self-acceptance is what I've realized. And I would say that if something truly, whatever, like Arun sir said, if something comes from your conscience, which is clear, just do that. You know, even if it means sometimes overdoing things for others, fine, just do it. But also adding to this COVID situation and 4 months of being home and all that, the minute COVID opens, of course, my little girlfriends I want to keep up with them. I've always ignored them. So just have little tools to keep yourself happy. Not too much. I'm not saying too much, but little bit, yes. It can be your time, your space, things that you love. And the Netflix remote, definitely. That I'm dying to have.
Great to hear that. And for me, this takeaway, I'll tell you what, when I decided, when I got a call that I was supposed to host this show, I was very, very scared. लेकिन मुझे अपने लिए करना था. So, you know, my biggest takeaway is that पहले तो मैं ये भी बता दूं कि मैं शुरू की सारी लाइंस भूल गई थी जितना मैंने लर्न करा था. कल 1 घंटा मैंने बिताया लर्न करने में. वो जैसे ही वो मैंने देखा कि ये तो लाइव चल रहा है, मैं सब भूल चुकी थी. So still, you know, but you know, it all went okay. You know, we are all learning. I think we have to fight our fears, stand up for ourselves. You know, fall in love with us. अभी भी देखो स्टैमर ही कर ही जा रही हूँ. But overall, all in all, I'm happy that I came, and you know, that was my biggest takeaway. कि अगली बार अगर मेरे को आना होगा तो उतना डर नहीं लगेगा, थोड़ा लगेगा.
So Meenal, I always say that मैं टूटी फूटी बोलती हूँ, मैं सोचती कुछ हूँ, बोलती कुछ हूँ. So it's all okay. The day we start accepting ourselves that this is how we are, it's all good. And my last dose of happiness, self-love, is I'm going out and getting soaked a bit in the rains, or if it is too rainy, I'm going to go for a drive. So what I will tell everybody is that whatever smallest of the thing you want to do for yourself, self-love bit, please do first thing after logging out from here. Let's see, what do we do? Whatever we do, a cup of tea, just smiling at yourself, watching the rains, or doing anything, just do it. Just do it.
I can quickly add one thing, because I heard this small a lot. Let's not judge it by small or big. Big to big, small to small. Whatever is to be done for ourselves. So when we say small, भी हम अपने आप को थोड़ी सी permission दे रहे हैं. पूरी permission दो, खुली permission दो.
You're right. You're right.
So it was lovely hosting the show, and I was not the actual host. You know, after the show, I've realized this, and I'm sorry. And it was lovely being on the show with Harika, Meeta, Rohit, Damini, Jaya, everybody. And I'm so great. It's become like my family. So, you know, love you all. So, bye, guys.
Thank you all for joining us. Love you guys.
Thank you, guys. Enjoyed it. Meenal, you hosted it very well.
Abhi live